What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to protect your Galaxy S22 Ultra's battery by setting the 85% charge limit. Now we know that we can protect the battery health of lithium ion batteries by preventing them from charging up to 100%. You can limit that at 85% and that will give you better battery health. Your battery will last much longer. The good thing is you can enable that in the settings. So go to settings and then go to battery and device care. There you go. Tap on that and then tap on battery, and then under battery you want to scroll down to more battery settings. Tap on that and then at the bottom you should find protect battery, and it explicitly says there to extend the lifespan of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. So when you turn this on, even if you leave your phone charging overnight, it will never go above 85%. And that basically helps to increase the lifespan of your battery. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.